Hello everybody, welcome to Real Estate Investing Adventures. How you doing out there today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm so glad you clicked on this channel. What is it all about? Well, my name is Jurek and I travel all over the country from coast to coast. I work with real estate investors on maybe how to learn how to do real estate investing or how to take real estate to the next level. Sometimes people want to build a portfolio rentals. Sometimes people want to do buy, fix, and flip. Sometimes people want to learn how to do short-term vacation rental or do wholesaling or no money down. I have helped people do it all. Well, here's the thing that I want to share with you. You have come to the right channel if you want to get some hands-on golden nuggets, real-world tips, techniques, and strategies. Why is that? As I travel all over the country from coast to coast, I will often do videos. I will do property walkthroughs. I will do motivational videos. I will do tips on different things. So if you like real estate, you found the right channel. Thank you for coming. Enjoy the channel, explore the channel. And the other thing, I love hearing comments from other people. If you like what I have to say, share it. Leave a like, leave a comment, because I enjoy responding to all comments that are left. So I look forward to getting to know all of you out there. So don't forget, also subscribe. You're gonna have a little thing that says subscribe or the little red button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you wanna be notified anytime that I put out a new video, click the little bell for notifications. That way you'll know each and every time I put out a video. And as I travel all over the country, I'm gonna share a lot with all of you. So live life in the moment, take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.